If you want to disable Grammarly AI, but still keep the regular grammar and spell check features, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few quick steps. That means you can turn off the generative AI tools, remove the prompt box, hide the rewriting presets, and get rid of the Lightbulb icon while still using Grammarly as a standard writing assistant. This is a great option if you only want help with grammar, punctuation, and spelling without all the extra AI suggestions. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Then log into your Grammarly account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left navigation sidebar and click on Account. After that, click Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps the options for customizing how the app behaves, so you'll want to stay in this menu for the next few steps. Next, select the Feature Customization tab. This tab controls which Grammarly features are active and which ones are turned off. So this is the exact place where you can manage the AI tools. Now scroll through the settings until you find the Generative AI Features section. In that section, you'll see a toggle switch. All you need to do is turn that switch off. Once you do that, Grammarly will stop showing the Generative AI Assistance features, including the AI prompt box and other related shortcuts. After the setting is disabled, you should notice that the AI Assistance icons disappear, leaving you with a cleaner, more traditional Grammarly experience. You'll still be able to use the standard grammar checker, so you don't lose the core writing support that Grammarly is known for. This is especially useful if you want a simpler interface, fewer distractions, or if you just prefer to avoid AI writing suggestions while still getting basic corrections. If you ever want those AI features back later, you can always return to the same feature customization area and turn the toggle back on. So to recap, go to Grammarly, open account, go to settings, choose feature customization, and switch off generative AI features. That's it. A quick and easy way to disable Grammarly AI while keeping grammar checks enabled. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.